Good evening, everyone. Is the voice clear? Is the screen visible? Do let me
Yes,
know.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. We'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us because I have only 5 to 6 students in the class right now. The topic that we will be doing today is previous year questions of the chapter that we are studying, profit and loss. Okay. Profit and loss also includes discount. Always do remember that profit and loss also includes discount. So today we will be discussing previous year questions of profit and loss. I'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us and then I shall start the class. Okay, let us start with the very first question. Okay, we shall start with the very first question. This one is easy one. By chance, if for any reason you feel that the question is repeated, do let me know. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ajish.
can you explain me SP another time?
What profit and loss?
Yes, ma'am.
You were
Ma'am,
absent.
discount.
Were you absent, Ajish?
No, ma'am, I wasn't. Ma'am, I told about SP in discount.
I could not get your doubt, Ajish. You are not clear with your doubt.
Ma'am, we learned the formula in SP, right? Means in discount price.
Yes, we learned the formula for discount, selling price, mark price, as well as we have learned lots of formula related with profit and loss. 8 formulas. If you remember only those formulas, you are sorted for the chapter. I'm giving the question on the board. If anyone feels any problem, do let me know. This is RMS 2024. Okay. This question is from RMS 2024. Here you go. You can answer me. Very first question, 2024 RMS. Why so less students today? So many are absent. And everyone joins late. Okay, 4 of you have given me the correct answer. Melanie, Nandini, Saptarshi, and Vivansh. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, let's see how we will do it. The question says that a shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 720, right? So the selling price of the article is 720. Selling price of the article is 720. And I know the profit percent. Profit percent is how much? Profit percent is 20%. I have to find what? I have to find the profit. I have to find the profit. In order to find the profit, first you should know the CP, cost price, right? So how we will calculate? Using the short trick formula, that was SP into 100 upon May 100 plus profit percent. This is the short trick formula that you have to use for calculating the cost price. Now, what we will do? Put the values. Selling price is 720. 100 upon May 100 plus 20, 120. 0 से 0, you will cut. 12 1 is 12 and 12 6 are 72. You are left with 6 and 100. So my cost price is 6 into 100, 600. Now, you don't have to calculate the cost price. You have to calculate the profit. Profit is what? Profit is SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price. This is the formula to find the profit. Selling price is 720. Cost price you just found 600. So your answer is rupees 120, option C. Option C. Anyone, any doubts, beta, raise your hand, do ask me. Or else please take the screenshot. This is very important, beta. Very important question.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
now you're lagging.
Beta, if only for you,
Yes,
then please
ma'am.
exit and rejoin. Please exit and rejoin, beta.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone? Yes, Nandini?
Ma'am, you're glitching.
Okay, I'll just check my
Ma'am, you're
internet.
glitching.
Just give me a second. Give me a second.
Join again.
Now, if the same problem persists to anyone, please you exit and rejoin. Okay? You can exit and rejoin if the problem persists. Okay, I hope everyone has taken the screenshot. Let me give you another question. This question is from JNV 2023. All the question you will find in Bharati publication book. The difference between
The same time.
cost price and selling price of a commodity
Ma'am, what
is
is
rupees.
commodity?
Commodity is any kind of product, beta, any object. Okay, any kind of product is known as commodity. If profit percent is 20%, find selling price. 1200, 1440, 1800, 2440. This is from JNV 2023. 2023, right? Okay, starting poll for you, beta. Here you go. Only 2 correct answer I got, Yashashwini and Nandini. Yasha, if the screen is black, exit and rejoin, beta. Okay. One suggestion to everyone, beta. I know no one is asking the doubt. No one. Okay. Because in the first question, it wasn't that easy. It was okay level, but it wasn't that easy that in one go you understand it. Okay. But still, no one asked me any doubt. As a teacher, I would like to give you one suggestion. Might be possible that only you have doubt in any particular question, but please feel free to ask any doubt. Even you will think that, oh, what stupid doubt I have. Might be possible I will tell you that what you are asking, beta, but still I would encourage you to ask your doubt, ask the question, so that your concept is clear. Beta, if you don't ask question with your teacher, your concept won't be clear. I'm getting only 3-4 correct answer. Right now, I got 2 correct answer. I will explain this question, and I'm damn sure no one will ask me anything, because in this batch, I don't get much doubts. 1-2 students are there, those who always ask the doubt. Apart from that, no one. Please don't be ashamed to ask the doubts here. And one suggestion for Ajish. Ajish, you ask Lex doubt.
Ma'am, एसपी का फॉर्मूला में क्वेश्चन करने के लिए मेरे को थोड़ा हार्ड लग रहा है।
बेटा हार्ड कुछ नहीं होता है, इफ यू प्रैक्टिस इट विल बी इजी. You were absent in between 2 days as far as I remember. 2 दिन आप absent थे और प्रॉफिट और लॉस के एसपी वाले क्लास में ही absent थे जब हम ये फॉर्मूलाज कर रहे थे. That's why आपको ये हार्ड लग रहा है. And you know what? You feel कि आप 1-2 दिन तो absent हो रहे हो, क्या हो गया? But मैथ्स इज समथिंग बेटा विच इज इंटर रिलेटेड. एक फॉर्मूला से दूसरा फॉर्मूला इंटर रिलेटेड है. आप 1-2 क्लास भी मिस करोगे ना तो पूरे चैप्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट विल गो. सो ट्राई नॉट टू मिस द क्लास, बट इमरजेंसी फॉर श्योर कम्स, है ना. इमरजेंसी तो किसी के साथ भी आ सकती है, तो ट्राई टू वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग इवन इफ यू टेक द क्लास. ठीक है, you are taking the class right now but recordings are available, right? Even taking the class beta, you watch the recording so that आपका concept is more clear. If you don't watch the recordings, then उससे कुछ ज्यादा impact नहीं करेगा even if you don't watch it. But if you watch it, तो impact जरूर पड़ेगा. Concept बहुत ज्यादा clear होगा, right? It would be just like watching a web series or a movie. और क्लास में तो 1 घंटा लगता है, बट व्हेन यू वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग्स, आप ये लेक्चर थोड़ी ना वॉच करोगे. मैं जो अभी 2-3 मिनट का लेक्चर दे रही हूँ, आप तो सिर्फ क्वेश्चन ही देखोगे. हार्डली आई थिंक 25 to 30 मिनट्स इट वुड टेक. अच्छा चलो, लेट अस सी हाउ वी विल डू दिस क्वेश्चन. Now beta, in this question, the question says the difference between cost price and selling price of a commodity is 240. मतलब I don't know what is the cost price. I don't know what is the selling price. I only know the difference between them is 240. अब उनके बीच cost price और selling price के बीच का difference, it can be profit or loss. But as I read the question further, I am confirmed that it is profit. Why? Because question says profit percent is 20%. So if profit percent is 20% beta, that means for sure this rupees 240, which is the difference, is my profit. Profit is rupees 240. Okay, हमें कैसे, how did we come to know that the difference is profit? The difference is profit because when we read the question further, it is mentioned that profit percent is 20%. So profit is 240 and profit percent is 20%. Now we neither know the cost price nor we know the selling price. So you won't be able to use any formula. Now what you have to use? You have to use your brain. You have to use how you can use these values to find the selling price. Now if profit is 240 beta, I know 240 is the value of 20%. 240 is the value of 20%. I have to find what? I have to find selling price. Now suppose if cost price is rupees 100, I will think in my mind. This I am teaching you the short trick. I will tell you the long method also, but this what I am teaching you is the short trick. Okay, I shall teach you the long method as well, but first we will try to understand the short trick. So 240 is the value of 20%. I have to find the selling price. If cost price I assume to be 100, I assume cost price to be 100, so my selling price would be what? 100 plus 20, 120. So you will find the value of selling price, which is 120. Now 0 से 0 cut. 24 को you will divide by 2, you will get 12. 12 into 120, you will get 1440. 1440, which is option B. And this is the short trick by which you can do it. Yes, Utkarsh.
How did the profit 240 come?
240. Because 240 is given in the question here. It is mentioned that difference between cost price and selling price is 240, and further it is mentioned that profit percent is 20. If profit percent is 20, for sure the difference between cost price and selling price will be profit. That's why 240 is the profit, beta.
Ma'am, then it should be loss because it is CP minus SP and not SP minus CP. It should be CP loss.
The difference between cost price and selling price doesn't mean CP minus SP or SP minus CP. Difference means उन दोनों के बीच का difference is 240. If we read till here, I don't know what the question says, whether it is profit or loss. But as soon as I read further, I got to know that if profit percent is given in the question, for sure it won't be the loss, it will be the profit only. Got it, Utkarsh? Anyone else? Any other doubts? Anyone, beta? Any question? Everyone got this? If you got this, then I'm not going to tell you the long method. Learn this only. Everyone got it? Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how did 120 come.
How will you understand, Ajish? You were busy in the chat box. Write Japanese. Right? You were busy in the chat box. Okay, I'm explaining it for once more, beta. Profit is 240. Profit is 20%. You have to find the selling price. Now, 20% is 240. That means 240 is the value of 20. 240 is the value of 20. You have to find the selling price. I will assume the cost price to be 100. If cost price is 100, then my selling price would be what? 100 plus 20, which is the profit. So 100 plus 20, 120. Multiply it by 120. Solve it, you will get your selling price, that is 1440. Anyone
Okay.
else with that? Any question, dear? Please do raise your hand. And everyone, please turn on your camera, beta. By seeing your face, your teacher can understand that whether you are getting it or not. Okay, if everyone got it, then I'm going to give you the another question. इतनी भी तो अच्छी नहीं मैं टीचर हूँ कि एक ही बार में everyone gets everything. No doubts. No one gets any doubt. Okay, this another question is also from JNV. The dealer gets rupees 56 less if instead of selling a chair at a gain of 15%, he sells it at a gain of 8%. The CP is what? Here you go.
Mama, I didn't understand the question.
The question says here that if you sell a chair, so if you sell it at, you made your mind that you will sell it at 15%, but you ended up selling it at 8% profit. So if you sold it at 8% profit, you received 56 less profit. Okay, 56 rupees less you received. Find the cost price. Here you go. You can answer me in the poll. Saptarshi and Yashashwini. Only 2 correct answers I got. Rest everyone wrong. Yes, Tejas, you have raised your hand, beta.
Question.
Tejas, I could not hear you, beta. Can you please speak again?
Ma'am, I didn't get this question.
Okay, see how you will do it. The question says here that you wanted to sell a chair at 15% profit, okay? But you ended up selling it at 8% profit. You received 56 less. Matlab, if you would have sold it for 15% profit, you would have received 56 rupees more. But because you sold it at 8%, you received 56 rupees less. Right? Now, 15 minus 8, 7%.
I'm your lagging.
Beta, exit and rejoin, Yasha. 7%, right? 7%. You sold the product at 7% less. I'm telling you the short trick, okay? How you are going to do in the examination quickly. Though I gave you a minute, but this can be done within 30 seconds. So, you sold it at 7% less, right? According to the question, 56 is the value. अच्छा, 1 minute. Beta, if the problem persists, now you exit and rejoin. See, so according to the question, 56 is the value of 7%. You have to find the cost price. Let us assume that the cost price is 100. Now just solve it. Now just solve this equation. 7 1 is 7 and 7 8 is 56. 8 into 100. 800 is my answer. Option B. Option B. Anyone, any doubt, beta? Anyone, any question? Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am, no doubt still here, ma'am. But in the if question comes, that time fully doubt is coming.
Beta, I could not get your doubt. Please come a bit closer to the device and say.
Ma'am, like I can get now, but when the question comes, like I can't understand the question only.
Beta, for that you need practice, okay? For sure, because whenever you see the question for the first time, you will feel it difficult because as a student, it is the first time for you to see these type of questions, right? But when you practice in the class as well as at home from the book, if you study only in the class for 1 hour, you will not get selected. 500% no selection. But if you revise what is taught in the class, what is taught in the class, you revise it, for sure you will get selected. And the problem which you are facing right now, that you are not getting to understand the meaning of the question, it won't be there. Yes, Utkarsh?
Understood the answer.
Did not understand. Okay, see dear, according to the question, you wanted to sell a product at 15% profit, but ended up selling at 8% profit. You sold at 7% less, right? 15 minus 8, 7%. Now, as per the question, it is mentioned that 56 rupees less you got. So, in percentage, it is 7%. In amount, it is rupees 56. So, 56 is the value for 7. Let us assume that cost price is rupees 100. So, you will multiply it by 100. Now, just solve it. 7 1 is 7. 7 8 are 56. 8 into 100, 800. Got it, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, but the real cost price isn't 100.
Yes, I know, beta, but you have to assumption that CP is equal to 100. मान लो कि CP अगर 100 होता तो, okay? So actually cost price is not 100, but you assume cost price to be 100. You will get the actual cost price, that is 800. Okay, Utkarsh? Anyone else? Any doubt there? Okay, we'll consider that as no. So I think all of you are very nervous, so I'm going to give you one easy question. Okay, one easy question. This one is easy question of Sainik School. Okay, Karishma bought 2 necklaces for rupees 139,500. Okay, 1,39,500. She sold them for 75,000 and rupees 80,000. Okay, see, sold them for 75,000 and 80,000. Find profit. Find profit. This one is easy. Hope this time I get many correct answers. And this one is from Sainik School. This one is from Sainik School. Here you go. Quickly tell me the answer. Wow, very good. 11 of you have given me the correct answer this time. Yasha, Nandini, and Yashashwini, first three to answer me. Very smart, dear. Okay, let us see how we will do it. See. Karishma bought necklaces for rupees 1,39,500. That means my cost price, I know, rupees 1,39,500. And selling price is how much? One necklace she sold for 75,000. Another necklace she sold for 80,000. So 75 plus 80, it's 1,55,000. It's 1,55,000. Find the profit. Profit, you know, selling price minus cost price 15,500. Option B is the answer. 15,500. Option B is the answer. Tell me, beta, anyone? Any question? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please take the screenshot. Going to give you another question.
Ma'am, I'm still writing.
Beta, take the screenshot there, please. Take the screenshot. Hope you must have taken the screenshot. Okay, next question is also from Sainik School. This is discount one. A shopkeeper sells a box costing rupees 900, giving 15% discount. Find selling price. $735, $765, $755, $785. And this question is very basic and easy. Hope you give me the correct answer. Quickly answer me. This one is so very easy. Only 3 correct answer I got. Tejas, Yashashwini and Saptarshi. Rest everyone wrong. Many of you haven't answered me. So let's see what's the answer. A shopkeeper sells a box costing rupees 900, giving 15% discount, right? You have to find the selling price. Selling price का short trick formula is known to me. And what's the short trick formula? Selling price का short trick formula is MP into 100 minus discount percent upon my 100. This is the short trick formula that we have learned. Mark price, I know it is given in the question 900. Discount percent is 15%. So 100 minus 15, 85 upon my 100. 100 minus 15 is 85 upon my 100. Two zeros cancelled out. Multiply 85 into 9. So 85 into 9. Acha, you asked me that, ma'am, how we can do it quickly. Don't multiply 85 into 9. Multiply 85 into 10. So 85 into 10 is 850. And usme se you have to reduce. How you can do mind calculation? Let me explain. So 85 into 10 is 850. But you have to actually multiply by 9, right? That means you have to minus 85 from it. Now you will think that, ma'am, 85 minus karna is very hard. Very hard. It will take time. हाँ बिल्कुल. But 85 की जगह, if I ask you to subtract 100, 1 second भी नहीं लगेगा. You will tell me, ma'am, 750. 750. But you had to subtract 85, not 100. You subtracted 50 more. So you will add 15 in it. अब 15 add करना तो easy. 750 plus 15, 765. And that is how you can add, multiply, subtract anything quickly. We call this method as approximation, dear. Approximation. अच्छा, if you ask me, मैम ये तो बहुत confusing है मैम, पहले 10 से, then फिर 100 minus, then 15 minus, so you can simply go for 85 into 9. Single digit multiplication is also easy. So 85 into 9, 5 nines are 45, carry 4, 72 plus 4, 76. So you can go for that as well. But just to tell you the trick, I showed you. Any doubts, beta? Anyone? कोई नहीं. Everyone is so intelligent. एक तो I don't know, यशा, नंदनी, तेजस, भाविक, सप्तर्षि, अकराती, विवांश. Why have you not turned on your cameras? I can't understand. Next question. Next question is also from Sanic School. And this type of question we have done a lot of question of this type in the class. A boy sells a book for rupees 450. He makes a loss of 10%. To gain 10%, find new SP. $500, $600, $550, $525. Here you go. Okay. 5 of you have given me the correct answer. Tejas, Yashashwini, Vivansh, first 3 to answer me. Ajish and Sai has also given the correct answer. So let us see how we are going to do. Let us understand there. See, if a boy sells a book for 450, selling price is 450, he makes loss of 10%. So I can calculate the CP. Formula for CP, I know. What's the formula? 450, that is the selling price, into 100 upon may 100 minus loss percent. So 100 minus 10, it is 90. Now simplify it. 0 is 0 cut, 9 1 is 9, 9 5 is 45. 5 into 100, 500. This is my cost price. Now I have to find new selling price if the gain percent is 10%. So SP would be what? Cost price into 100 plus profit percent, because now I want gain of 10%. Gain means what? Gain means profit. So 100 plus 10, that is 110 upon me 100. 0 से 0 cut. 5 into 110, it will be 550. Answer option C. Any doubts here? Anyone, any question? No one? Okay. If no one has any question, are you ready to play the game that I asked you to learn the formula one? Ready? Shall I ask or not? Tell me. Are you ready with the formulas? I cannot hear anyone. Tell me yes or no. Nothing other than that. Ready with the formulas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. अच्छा बीच में तो I will write formulas ना. This side I am writing boys versus girls. Okay. I know number of boys are more, girls are less. I think 3-4 girls are there in the class only. But कोई नहीं, they will win. Still they will win. चलो. I'll start with the student which is first on my screen. I think it was Delzi and she left. Acha. Ajish, turn on your mic and camera. Ajish. What will be selling price if cost price and profit has been given to you? Tell me. I'll just wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn off your mic, Ajish. Next, I shall ask with one girl, right? I think Yashashwini, you tell me. Yashashwini. Cost price, profit is given. Selling price will be what? बच्चे धीरे धीरे they are leaving the class. अरे मेरे से भी मैम पूछ लेगी. मैम, हे भगवान. Yashashwini also 0. अच्छा, Vivansh, tell me.
Ma'am, it is SP plus profit.
Pardon, beta?
SP plus profit.
Yes, it is
One
cost price plus profit. Very smart. Very smart. Next question, Nandini will answer me. Nandini will answer me. What will the cost price if selling price and loss has been given to you? Nandani.
Ma'am, can the max points be 5? Like whoever reaches to 5 points wins.
Vivansh, beta, you're not clearly audible. Please write in the chat box. Nandani, turn on your mic. Tell me the answer.
Lost by CP SP plus loss.
SP plus loss. Very good. SP plus loss. Very good, beta. Very smart. Next, Mitran is going to answer me. Mitran. What is the formula for discount percent? Mitran. Beta, you are not audible. Please tell again.
Ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am.
Beta, formula for discount percent.
Do not know this problem.
Okay. Next is Bhavik. Bhavik, discount percent. Bhavik. Bhavik is not turning on the mic, so I will give 0 to the boys. Okay. I shall start with technical. Yes, Nikshita. Discount percent. Nikshita.
Discount by MP into 100.
Very good. Discount upon MP into 100. Very smart, Nikshita. Very smart. Girls are leading. Very good. I want that. Chalo, next. Next, who is on my screen? Tejas, you will tell me if mark price and selling price is given to me, what is the discount? Tejas.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
MP minus
Very good, beta. MP minus SP. Very smart. Next, Nikshita हो गया, राजनंदिनी हो गई, and then I have okay, 3 ही लड़कियां हैं. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम भाविक्स माइक वाज नॉट वर्किंग क्योंकि ना वो लैपटॉप में लगा रहा था. So now I switched to phone. So you can ask.
Okay, ma'am. Next question afterwards I will ask him. Okay. Okay. Next, Yashashwini. If CP and loss percent is given, what is the formula for selling price? Quickly. Yashashwini. Beta, turn on your mic, Yashashwini. You are with your mother, I know. Your mother will slap you on my behalf if you don't tell me the formula. Yashashwini is laughing. For that laughing, I will give 0 to girls. Okay, Bhavik, you tell me. If cost price and loss percent is given, how will you find the selling price?
Ma'am, we will CP plus loss.
CP plus loss. Beta, CP and loss percent is given. Okay, Nandini, you tell me. CP and loss percent is given. What will be the selling price?
Ma'am,
CP and loss percent has been given. What is the selling price? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sign. You tell me. अब कोई नहीं 5 सेकेंड ओवर नंदनी. Sign. Sign Mithil. Turn on your mic and tell me. CP and loss percent has been given. What will be the selling price?
Ma'am, yeah.
Hope you all have your parents around you. Hope you all have your parents around you. They must be watching you that you are not able to answer the formulas. And if you don't answer the formulas, if you don't know the formulas data, 200% you will not understand the question nor you will get the answers. Because this chapter is based on formulas. Utkarsh, you tell me the answer. Cost price, loss percent has been given. What is the selling price? Tell me the answer, Utkarsh. Utkarsh will search in the notebook.
Ma'am, 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP.
100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Beta, it is wrong.
Ma'am, not in the denominator, it's in the numerator.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, bracket.
CP into 100 minus loss percent upon में 100. This is the formula for selling price, beta. Simple, and see, there were 15-16 students, 5-6 of them have left. As if I'm just wasting the time. इसीलिए last के 10 minutes I chose for this game, and that is why I don't play games with you all, because I know किसी को याद ही नहीं होगा. It's a tie, but for me, both boys and girls, both of you are a failure. Complete failure. Both of you. Both the groups. Complete failure. Hope your parents are around you and they must have seen that how you were not able to answer the formulas. पसीने छूट गए आप लोगों के. अरे मेरा नंबर ना आ जाए बस, मेरा नाम ना बोल दे मैम बस. Beta, it's a request. Please do learn the formulas now. Whatever chapter we will do, we are going to learn lots of formulas in each and every chapter. The next chapter also you will do lots of formulas are there. Without the formulas, you won't be able to do the questions, dear. And it's a homework for you. First homework is do all the questions from the Bharti publication book of profit and loss. That assignment I wrote there. And the second homework is please do learn all the formulas, and next class, in the starting class only, I will ask randomly any 3 students the formulas, any 3 students, and then I will talk to your parents that what preparation you are doing at home. Randomly, I will choose any 3 students. I don't care whether they are the new students or the old ones. Everyone is equal for me. Everyone is equal for me. So please do learn the formulas, everyone. Okay? That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everyone. Thanks for joining me.
Bye, ma'am.